How to send gifts from Amazon. Want to send a gift to someone? This guide shows you how you can send gifts from Amazon so you can surprise your loved ones. First, find an item that you want to gift and add it to your cart. Once you're at the checkout page, you'll see a button that says "This is a gift." Tap on it to mark the item as a gift. You'll then be able to add a gift message. You'll need to enter the recipient's shipping address. If you don't know the address, you can send the gift to their email or phone number. They'll be able to enter their addresses and the gift will be delivered to them. It is a great way to send a gift without knowing their address. You can also use the gift wrapping option to wrap the gift. It is a great way to make the gift feel more special. Once you've confirmed all the details, you can place your order. The gift will be delivered to the recipient and they'll be able to see your gift message. You'll now be able to send gifts from Amazon. Get ready to surprise your loved ones. Like and subscribe for more app tips.